Welcome to the foundational stone of project management, understanding the project scope. A project scope outlines what will be delivered, encompassing all work involved and defining the project's boundaries. It serves as a blueprint guiding each phase and ensuring all team members and stakeholders are aligned from the start. Mastering the scope is crucial for preventing scope creep, managing expectations, and keeping the project on track, within budget and at the desired quality. As we move forward, remember that a well-defined scope is key to navigating the complexities of project management. Moving deeper into project management, let's examine the core elements defining a project's scope. These components, including objectives, deliverables, and timelines, provide a clear roadmap for success. Objectives are your project's guiding stars, setting clear aims and aligning efforts. It's critical to state these objectives clearly from the beginning. Deliverables, the tangible outcomes like products or services, are specified in the project scope document to synchronize team and stakeholder expectations. Timelines, the backbone of your project, schedule the completion of these deliverables and manage resources efficiently while allowing for flexibility in the face of risks and delays. The integration of all these elements into a detailed scope documentation protects and guides your project, serving as a reference for managing any changes in direction. Next, we'll discuss how to manage and adjust this scope effectively. In the dynamic world of project management, effectively managing and adjusting the project's scope in alignment with stakeholder expectations is crucial. Let's focus on tackling scope creep, where project requirements expand subtly beyond the original boundaries without extra resources. Vigilance in reviewing project boundaries and consistent reaffirmation with your team and stakeholders are essential. Flexibility to adjust to changes, whether due to market dynamics, client demands, or unexpected challenges, is equally crucial. Structured processes for revisions should contemplate the impacts on resources, timelines, and deliverables. Moreover, the importance of clear and consistent communication with stakeholders cannot be overstated. It is vital for managing expectations and building trust. By mastering these strategies, adjustments will enhance rather than hinder your project's success, keeping it aligned with its original objectives.